Buddies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to testing out some viral 3D pen hacks to see whether they work or not. And today's video like target is 250 likes. Let's see that we'll achieve this target or not. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. So in this hack we are going to make our own DIY hair tie rubber band, and for that we have to just take a pencil and then start covering it with our 3D pen filament. Well, this is so difficult for me because I'm not used to with 3D pen and I don't even know how to make some art with it. So let's see that how it turns out. So our hair tie rubber band looks something like this. It doesn't look so good, but it looks decent, like we can use it. Now let's see how it works. So now our rubber band looks something like this. It just loses its shape and now it doesn't even look decent. So yeah, this hack doesn't work. Don't try this at home. So in this hack we are going to make our own 3D pen coaster. Now let's see how it turns out. So you all know कि I don't know how to use 3D pen so much. So I'm going to make a simple cute sun with it. So yeah, now let's see how it turns out. So now our coaster looks something like this. It looks so cute, and you can also see that this hack works 110%. So you can also try this at home. So in this hack we are going to make our charger look so cute. So for that they made a ladybug with it. So we are also going to make a ladybug with it. Now let's see how it turns out. वैसे मुझे पता है कि वो अच्छी नहीं बनेगी, but try करते हैं. Let's see. ये क्या बन गया? हंसो मत. I know that this doesn't look like ladybird, but this hack works 100%. But just make sure that you know how to make some art with 3D pen. So yeah, this hack works. You can also try this at home. So in this hack we are going to make our own customized keychain. So for that first we have to just take out this Shinchan out of this keychain. Well, किस किस को Shinchan अच्छा लगता है? Let me know in the comments. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है and I love Shinchan so much. So now we are ready to make our own customized keychain. So let's start. So I'm going to make a triangle with it. Now let's see how that turns out. I hope कि triangle easy है, so that turns out so cool. But let's see how it turns out. So now our keychain is ready and it looks something like this. It looks like a pizza, है ना? We have to just make some veggies on it and then our pizza keychain is ready. And yeah, this hack works 110%. You can also try this at home. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. Till next video, bye.